Hello my dear students, welcome to our JEE Prep channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. Today we'll do one problem on projectile motion. Let's read the problem. A body of mass 10 kg is projected at an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal. The trajectory of the body is observed to pass through the point 20, 10. If capital T is the time of flight, then its momentum vector at time t is equal to capital T by root 2 is, and these are the four options given to us. Now let us understand the methodology of this problem. There is a body of mass 10 kg is projected at an angle 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. And this body passes through the point P 20, 10, where 20 is the x coordinate and 10 is the y coordinate. Now capital T is the time of flight of motion of this body, and what we want to find out the momentum vector. Now what is momentum? Mass into velocity. Now as we want to find out the momentum vector, we will have to find out vector v, and the vector v is equal to vxi plus vyj. So we need to find out this velocity vector. Now how will you find out this velocity vector? You will have to find out vx component and the vy component. Now what is vx component here? Vx component is u cos theta and vy component is u sin theta minus gt. So if we want to find out vx component and the vi component, then we need to know the initial velocity u, and also we need to know the angle theta and time t. Out of this we have given this angle theta, that is 45 degrees. There is no question about that. But we need to find out u and time t, because time t is given as capital T upon root 2. But we don't know this time of flight. So we will have to calculate time of flight also. So let us first calculate the initial velocity u. And to calculate the initial velocity u, we will consider the equation of a trajectory. Therefore, equation of a trajectory is y is equal to x tan theta minus g upon 2u square cos square theta into x square. Now in this, we know y, we know x. Y is the y coordinate, that is 10, and x is the x coordinate, that is 20. We know angle theta, that is 45 degrees, and we know value of g also. Let us substitute and get the initial velocity. So y is equal to 10, this is 10, and this is 20. So therefore I will substitute y coordinate as 10. 10 is equal to 20 tan 45 degrees minus g is 10 upon 2u square cos square 45 into value of x is 20, so 20 square. Hence 10 is equal to 20 into 1 minus 10 into 400 divided by 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos square 45 just 1 by 2. So this 2 will cancel with this 2, and 20 will, I will take it to this side, this will become minus 10 is equal to minus 10 into 400. Here I have to write here u square, 10 into 400 divided by u square. Now this 10 will cancel and this will become plus. So therefore u square comes to be 400, and initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second. So we got the first value u, that is 20 meter per second. Now we will have to calculate time of flight, because unless we calculate time of flight, we will never get value of small t. And in the final equation, we need value of small t. So therefore, to calculate time of flight, time of flight. Now what is the formula for time of flight? T is equal to 2u sine theta upon g. Now what is the value of u? That is 20. Sine theta means sine 45 degrees divided by g is 10. So now here this 10 will cancel with this 20, and see, we will get here 4 into 1 by root 2. Hence capital T is 2 root 2 seconds. Capital T is 2 root 2 seconds, because this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 divided by root 2. You rationalize this, you get 2 root 2 seconds. So now we have got capital T. Now we need to find out small t. So that we can find out small t easily. Therefore, small t is equal to capital T upon root 2. So what is capital T? Capital T is 2 root 2. Therefore, this is 2 root 2 divided by root 2. So small t comes to be 2 seconds. Small t comes to be 2 seconds. Now what is the formula for the momentum? The formula for the momentum vector is vector b is equal to m into vector v. So this is m into vx I cap plus vy j cap. Now we need to find out vx and vy. So we will find out vx and vy separately now. Vx is equal to u cos theta, that is 20 cos 45. This comes to be 10 root 2. So how 10 root 2? 20 into 1 by root 2. So this will be, rationalize this. So this will give 10 root 2 value. Now the vy component is u sine theta minus gt, that we have shown here, u sine theta minus gt. So we will substitute the value of u, will substitute the value of theta and g as 10. So this will be, what is u? 20 into sine 45 minus 10 into 2. So this will give you 20 into 1 by root 2, because sine 45 is 1 by root 2, minus 20. So this will be 10 root 2 minus 20. So therefore vx component is 10 root 2 and vy component is 10 root 2 minus 20. Now what is our momentum vector? Vector p is equal to m into vx I plus vy j. So therefore vector p is equal to, what is m? Mass of the body is 10 kg. 10 into, what is vx? 10 root 2 I cap plus 10 root 2 minus 20 j cap. Just multiply this. This will be 100 root 2 I cap plus 100 root 2 minus 200 j cap. So this is the required momentum vector. Now let us see which option is correct here. See, the answer is here. See, 100 root 2 I cap plus 100 root 2 minus 200 j cap. So the correct answer is this D option. So I hope all of you understood this problem. And students, if you really want to improve your performance in JEE, CET and NEET examination, I strongly recommend all of you to subscribe our channel. Thank you.